Hello, good morning, dear children. Welcome to online class. Myself, Mr. Ravindra Kumar Jhankar, welcome you all to झंकार पाठशाला. झंकार पाठशाला में आपका स्वागत है. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. So, dear children, today we are going to learn class 3, subject English, topic bird talk, part 2. And today we are going to learn explanation of the poem, question answer, that is reading is fun, creative writing, and project work. At the end there will be test yourself. You have to test yourself and you have to practice the worksheet, that is activity sheet of the poem Bird Talk. So dear children, once again subscribe my channel and enjoy the video. This is the poem Bird Talk, and this poem is written by Alan Fisher. So dear children, the poem is Bird Talk and composed by Alan Fisher. Dear children, let's start the poem with a song. The song is Bird Talk. Let's sing and dance. Things said the robin, things said the jay, things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Think about people, the way they grow. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, they don't have feathers at all, you know. Yes, sing with me. Think said the robin, think said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think said the robin, think said the jay. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Yes, let's sing with me. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think said the robin, think said the jay. Think said the robin, think said the jay. Aren't people funny? Aren't people funny to be that way? To be that way. Aren't people funny to be that way? To be that way. To be that way. So dear children, let's come to the explanation of this poem. In the poem Bird Talk, two birds named Robin and Jay are sitting in the garden. They are talking to each other to think. They are talking to each other to think about people, that they do not have feathers but they grow. People do not eat insects. They do not grow wings. They also do not like sitting on wires and things. Both Raveen and Jay talking to one another that people are funny in the way they behave. It's a beautiful poem about talking of two birds, how they think about people. बर्ड टॉक कविता में दो पक्षी रोविन और जे एक दिन बगीचा में बैठकर आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं। वे दोनों को सोचने के लिए कह रहे हैं। वे दोनों आपस में आदमियों के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं। उनके पंख नहीं हैं, लेकिन वे बढ़ते हैं। आदमी उनके जैसे कीड़े नहीं खाते। वे पंख नहीं बढ़ाते, न ही उनके जैसे तार और चीज़ों में बैठते हैं। रोबिन और जय दोनों को सोचने के लिए कह रहे हैं। जिस तरह आदमी बर्ताव करते हैं मज़ेदार लगते हैं। इस कविता में बहुत ही सुंदर ढंग से दो पक्षियों का आदमियों के बारे में वार्तालाप का वर्णन किया गया है। So dear children, I hope you understood the poem. Now it is time for reading is fun. Yes, come to the reading is fun. Yes, come to the reading is fun. That is your question answer. How much you understood the poem? Let's know. So the first question is number 1. Name the two birds in the poem. Name the two birds in the poem. Yes, can you say the answer? Okay. So answer is two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. The answer is two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. So next come to the second question, number 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Question number 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Yes? Can you say the answer? Very good. So the answer is the three things that people can't do are they don't eat beetles. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Yes? Once again, the answer is the three things that people can't do are they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Now come to the question number 3. What do birds think of people? Yes, the answer is birds think that people are funny creatures because they differ from them in many ways. Once again, the answer is birds think that people are funny creatures because they differ from them in many ways. Next, question number 4. Who is the poet of the poem Bird Talk? Question number 4. Who is the poet of the poem Bird Talk? Yes. The answer is very simple. You know very well. And the answer is Eileen Fisher is the poet of the poem Bird Talk. Eileen Fisher is the poet of the poem Bird Talk. So next come to creative writing. It's a very important part, creative writing. So here you have given, listen to the sounds of the birds, make a list of these words. Listen to the sounds of the birds, make a list of these words. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. Choo, choo, choo. Chee, chee, chee. Coo, coo, coo. Again. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Choo, choo, choo. Chee, chee, chee. Coo, coo, coo. Now, write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. You have given the clues. You have to use the clues from the box. You have given the clues in the box as next, nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. There are 6 words in the box. You have to use the words and you have to make 4 sentences. Okay? So first sentence you can make, birds make their nest. Second is, birds drink water when they feel thirsty. Third one is, birds fly high in the sky with the help of their wings. And fourth one is, birds sound chirp, chirp, chirp. So in this way, we can write some lines. We can write a story using the words given as clues. Okay? Very good. So now come to the next part. Write a paragraph about our national bird peacock. So here you have to write 5 to 10 lines about our national bird peacock. So if you write the lines, then that will be a paragraph. So here you can see what we can write about the peacock, our national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is colorful and very beautiful. It is very shy and alert in nature. It has a long neck and crown on its head. And it is usually blue in color, and its feathers having mixture of green, blue and golden colors. It is almost found in jungle, zoo or agricultural land. It can fly up to some heights of branches but cannot fly in the sky. It eats fruits, grains, insects and snakes. It looks very beautiful. When it dances, it rains by spreading its feathers. So this is a paragraph about our national bird, and you have to practice it. You can learn it and you can write. Okay. Peacock. 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 Pigeon. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot. Penguin. 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 Crow. 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 Sparrow. 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 EAGLE. 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 Coil. KOEL. Coil. KOEL. Coil. Woodpecker. 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 Myna. MYNAH. Myna. Kingfisher. 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 STORK. 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 Duck. 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 Swan. 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 Owl. 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 So dear children, now it is for your team time. Here you have to do one activity, and our activity is let's make finger puppets. So how to make finger puppets? Okay. So first point, draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. Yes. You can do it. Now, take a strip of cloth or paper. Point 3. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Point 4. Tie the two ends of the strip. Point number 5. Fix it on your fingers. Point number 6. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. And last point is let your puppet fly along with your friends' puppets. So this is the activity, wonderful activity. You have to make your finger puppet. Okay, once again I am telling how to make finger puppet. You can do at home. You can make your puppet and you can share. First point is draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper. Cut and color it. Second, take a strip of cloth or paper. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Next, tie the two ends of the strip. Fix it on your fingers. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. Let your puppet fly along with your friends' puppets. Now your finger puppet is ready and this is your team time. You have to share with your friends. Okay? So dear children, now your finger puppet is ready. You can see the picture. Here you can use it in your finger. And in this way you can prepare a finger puppet and it can fly. Okay? So dear children, now it is time for test yourself. It carries full mark 20. You have to write the answer. And the question number 1. Answer the following questions. 2 questions are there. It carries 4 mark. Question number 2. Write 5 sentences on birds using the following words. Some words we have given on the box. You have to write 5 lines or 5 sentences. Now see question number 3. Write a paragraph about peacock. It carries 5 mark. Next come to question number 4. Look at the pictures and write their names. Some pictures you have given. You have to write the name of the birds. And it carries 6 mark. So all total full mark is 20. You have to test yourself. You have to evaluate yourself. And how much mark you score out of 20. You have to see. Okay? So dear children, this is all about your today's class. Thank you for watching the video, attending the class. Bye bye. See you in next lesson. That is Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay? We'll meet in the next lesson. Nina and the baby sparrows. Thank you. Bye bye.